What are the hotel room rates based on?
Types of room, location of hotel, ocean view or back room, or season, high season or low season.
Right. How is the rate of hotel room classified?
Consortium rate, corporate rate, military rate, government rate, package rate, rack rate, promotional rate, and resort rate.
Right. On what basis is the consortium rate decided?
Consortium rate is decided on the basis of negotiation on the basis of number of passenger.
Right. How low are hotel room rates offered to business travelers?
20 to 30% lower than the current rate.
Right. What does the hotel room rates of a business traveler depend upon?
Depend upon how many times in a year they use the hotel room.
Right. How is the government hotel room rate determined?
These are determined by the specific government agency and the hotel, and rates are paid to the qualified government employer.
Right. When do some hotel offer hotel rooms to any government employee at this rate?
By the proper identification.
Right. Which employees are given the industry rate?
Basically, these are given to the passengers who are belonging to travel industry.
Right. Who can be the employees working in the travel industry?
Airline, travel agency, tour operator, and hotel and wholesale packager.
Right. To whom are military hotel rates given?
Military hotel rates are given to the military personnel and to promote to promote military areas, and these are on the sides of military base.
Right. To whom the package hotel rates given?
Package hotel rates are fixed on the basis of negotiation with the wholesalers who required large quantity of hotel rooms.
Right. Who require hotel rooms in large quantities?
Air hotel, cruise hotel, and hotel packagers.
Right. When are promotional rates offered?
Promotional rate are offered when some rooms are empty, and to generate hotel. Can you please repeat?
When are promotional rates offered?
Promotional rate are offered when hotel rooms are empty to generate the extra revenue.
Right. What can be included in promotion rates?
Food and drinks.
Right. When are promotional rate valid?
These are valid when on the specific holidays, dates, and seasons.
Right. What type of rack hotel ratings?
Rack hotel rate, in these rates there is no discount and rebate is given.
Right. What can cause resort rate to fluctuate?
Advance payment, deposits, individual property agreement, and season.
Right. What type of restriction do resort rate have?
Cancellation and early checkout.
Right. How many types of hotel rooms are there?
There is maximum rate, deluxe rate, superior rate, standard rate, and suite.
Right. What is the deluxe rate?
Deluxe rate is charged when for the regular size sleeping room.